Hello everybody, Benjamin Deneke from Santorini, aka Santorini Travel Advisor 221. Today we're gonna do a catamaran tour, so stay tuned. So we got picked up from our guide and we're now moving to the boat.
Try your luck and take a chance. Live for the risks in this moment. Take my hand.
So now everybody's on board
Break my heart. I'll never
and
walk this
getting
path.
ready
Stumbling steps
to go.
to a dance where things change forever. There's no regrets, only the past. Will I change? Never. So swing me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. So swing me around.
So we just left the port. Now I think our first station is gonna be the Red Beach in Santorini. The weather is good and everything seems fine.
Never be a victim.
So behind me you can see this, or is it, this is the Red Beach, and here we are entering the White Beach. It's the only white area of Santorini. And just behind me, right there, we can see the reef. This is a very nice scuba diving area. Been there, done that.
Steps of time, I'll take yours and make it mine. Loving me, myself, and I. So swing me around.
So here we are again after about a year of not being here on YouTube. You know, with all this Corona shit. Anyway, now it is the 7th of October 2021. So taking a catamaran as an activity in Santorini is a must. You can book a semi-private tour, which goes by person, or you can take a private one like we did. Well, taking a private is, depending on how many people you are, it's more expensive if you're like less people, like 4 or 5 people. And I think you can go up to 8 persons depending on the vessel. So there are other options. You can take a boat which goes to the volcano, which is like I think 12 euros or something per person, and have a tour over there for cheap. Or if you want the full experience, you take a catamaran.
Me down, you won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. So swing me around, take me down.
Now we are passing the Indian, that's what they call this part of the mountain that's behind me. And if you can see in the back, this is the lighthouse. There, yeah, little thing. That's the lighthouse. I made a video about that in the past. Yeah, well, that's nice. The thing goes by itself. No, here's the captain. He's back. So now we are approaching. So we are now approaching Παλαιά Καμένη, which means the old volcano. So this is the first volcano, and next to it is Νέα Καμένη. It's there. Yeah, it's there. I have a problem with this thing pointing. Anyway, we're gonna stop there. volcanoes. This is the old volcano and this is the new volcano. Old and new. Yeah, and I think we're gonna stop here. Our food is being prepared. I'm already getting hungry. And we're also going now near the hot springs, which are natural coming out of the volcano. This is the first stop. It's a bit tricky. So now we are in Thirassia Bay. Finally with a catamaran. Yeah, here you can see on the back. This is Thirassia. There are a lot of taverns here where you can come with this boat, which is not that expensive, and you can have like Greek food, you know, Mediterranean fish and that stuff. So the brave can now go for a swim. As I told you before, it is the 7th of October 2021. For me, it's a little bit too cold. We're gonna see. I don't think I'm gonna do it, but my friend Aris, he said he's going, so he did it. Drosero, yeah. Drosero means cool. Not cold, but cool. So I did it too. It was not cold, but it was cool. Έλα, δώσ' μου το χέρι σου. Δώσ' μου το χέρι σου. The food is almost ready. And there it is. Yeah, because sea makes people hungry. Lunchtime. We're now departing from Thirassia. Just having a cake. Everybody here. And we're heading way back. So we're now approaching the harbor in Licada. That's where we started, and that was the catamaran tour. It was very, very nice. Everything was amazing. The staff of the boat was great. The captain was great. Everything was good, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So safely back at Licada. We had a great time. And for your information, there are two tours. One in the morning, like the one that we took, and there is another one for the sunset. So either are great. So yeah, it's up to you which one you want to choose.